Hello guys, in this video we're gonna be showing you how to take a 360 photo by your phone, how to edit with the Photoshop, and how to upload to the Google Maps. So let's get started. The first things that you need to do is to open the Chrome in your phone and download the application called Google Camera. With this application you can make a 360 photo in the best quality. Now choose your versions that work with your phone. Open the camera and go to settings, then go to resolution and change quality to high to make the best photo quality. Now go to the photosphere to make a 360 photo. Back to the Windows, now go to the Google Chrome and download this program. To download this program, just click the link into the description. This program can allow you to see the 360 photo in any position. Now install the program. After install it, just drag the 360 photo to this program and you can see the 360 photo in any position. Now I'm gonna be edit the photo with the Photoshop. Just drag the photo into the Photoshop and go to 3D, spherical panorama, new panorama from selecting layer. Now we can rotate it, the photo. And now we're going to be removing this electrical cable. We're going to be selecting that and remove with fill. Now we're gonna be create a simple logo. We are select the circle and make a big circle. Now we're gonna be create a new layer apply the color in the circle and write the text. Now change the color of the text. Now if I rotate the 316 photo, you can see the logo rotate with that. To stay in that place, just select the circle and the text and merge it down. To merge it down, just select the Ctrl plus E and you can see the logo is stay in that place. I remove the logo because I don't need it. To save the panorama, go to 3D, spherical panorama, export panorama. And with that option you can save your panorama. Now drag the photo into the program and now you can see all the changes that I make in the Photoshop. Now looks more better. The third step is to upload that 316 photo to the Google Maps. To do that, I download the BlueStacks and I install the Street View. This thing you can do also in the phone. After you install Street View in your phone, go to Import 316 photo and choose the 316 photo that you make with your phone and after you edit with the Photoshop. And now go to add the GPS and drag the bottom one to your position that you take that photo. Now turn on the satellite mode and you can position the bottom one into the right place. Click the tick mark and click to the photo. Now click to the publish into the Google Maps. Publish. Right now the 316 photo is going to be uploading. Now click back, click add map listing, and now you can see the photo is uploaded. Now we're gonna go to the Google Maps and to verify that 316 photos is uploaded to the right place. Now write for the city and find your 316 photo. And you can see the 316 photos is uploaded successful. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching and I'll always see you next time with others tutorials.